Hello and welcome to the Nebolus Planning Tool. In this video we show you how to register and log in to the Nebolus Planning Tool. To do this, click on Join Now on the Nebolus website and then click on the Register button. If you are not yet registered, click Sign Up Now. Now enter your details and finally click on Sign Up. You will receive an email notification confirming your registration. As soon as your account has been activated, you can log in with your email address and your password. You will also be informed by email about the activation of your account. If you have received an invitation code from someone, you can enter the invitation code during the registration process. By doing so, you will be assigned to the team of the person who sent you the invitation code. After logging in, an overview page appears which shows all your scavenger hunts. Right now, no scavenger hunt is shown as this is our first login. Before we start creating a first scavenger hunt, we would like to show you how you can change the information provided during the registration process at any time. If, for example, your email address has changed or you would like to change your password. To do this, select Edit Profile at the top right and you can change your details by using the Edit slider. Your changes will be applied using the Save button. Now we are starting to create our first scavenger hunt. Right from the start, we would like to point out that all entries in the planning tool are saved automatically, so you can gradually add content to each area and easily continue where you have left off at any time. There is no Save button. After you click on Create New, the overview page for your scavenger hunt opens. Now your first scavenger hunt has been created and 5 areas are displayed in which you need to upload content. The following videos will explain these 5 areas and specific functions in more detail. Have fun creating your first scavenger hunt!